my name is Allison. I'm a junior at St. Helens High School, and I'm happy to be here today with Destiny from USIA as a part of our Manufacturing Month interview series. Destiny is a seamstress at USIA where she sews dry suits and waders for scuba divers, fishermen, fire departments, and even the military. Thank you, Destiny, for joining us today.
You're welcome.
So, Destiny, we have a few questions for you. Can you tell me about what you do for USIA and what type of products you produce?
I sew waders and scuba divers, dry suits, and sometimes I do some other stuff, but it just depends.
So what would you say the work environment is like at USIA?
It's very laid back. Sometimes it's independent, sometimes you're working with others. I do a lot of stuff, so I'm constantly moving around. I have like 6 sewing machines to myself, so I'm constantly jumping. But you do, have your teamwork, and then sometimes you just independently working and just gotta do what you gotta do.
So what would you say some skills are needed to work in industrial sewing?
I would say you need an entry-level sewing skill. Can be learned in a training class, that I took. Good work ethic, and ability to work independently.
For students who may be interested in a career at USIA or any sewing career, what training opportunities or programs would you recommend to them to go to?
Like you said, there is a lot of jobs, let alone in this town. There's what I do at USIA. There's airplane seats at Oregon Aero, boots at Westco, clothing alterations at Alterations by Heather. There are plenty of other opportunities, even working at home, making projects on Etsy, car upholstery, clothing manufacturing, like Nike near the Portland airport. It's just, there's so many opportunities out there.
That's very interesting. So what are 2 or 3 skills you think it's very important to have to be successful in your field?
Work ethic, and as well as detail and consistency.
So do you have any advice you have for high schoolers like me who want to get into your field of industrial sewing?
I would say if you want to do it, get out there, try it, see if you like it. If you want to, go through a training class, do it, see what you like first, and then go further. It is not just for women. There's plenty of men out there that do it. There is plenty of men, even at my work, that sit down and sew. They do it on the daily. It's just, there's so many opportunities out there, and I just wish more people would do it.
So before we end, do you have anything else that you want to add that I didn't ask about?
We do PPEs for masks and hospital gowns for hospitals and just people in general, our community, and helping everyone surrounding us. During this pandemic, it's been a little bit rough, but we are getting back to our normal slowly but surely. But I am more proud than anything to be where I'm at today.
Well, it sounds like you have a very, very important job. Thank you for providing for the essential workers. Destiny, thank you again for speaking with us today as a part of the Manufacturing Month series. It has been great to learn about you and your work at USIA. If you're interested in learning more about USIA, please check out their website at www.usia.com. And if you're interested in learning more sewing training through INSEAM, contact Wendy at Oregon Aero by calling 503-543-7399 or by email at wendys@Oregon Aero, OREGON, and then AERO.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this conversation with Destiny, and I want to wish you all a great Manufacturing Month.